doing precisely that by getting the full spectrum of vendors who cater to the needs of the sector in its entirety. I would also like to share with you a little bit data of the entire fair. So IHE 19 has shaped up to be a much larger edition compared to the last year. This time we have over 600 exhibitors spread across over 38,000 square meter and 20,000 plus decision makers expected to participate in all 4 days of the show. We also have significant foreign participation from countries like Indonesia, Peru, Canada, Vietnam, Ecuador, Myanmar, El Salvador, and Singapore. There are also likely to be concurrent events. Alongside the expo, we have prepared a robust program of concurrent events with key highlights such as International Gourmet Safari with great cuisine from Indonesia, Peru, Vietnam, Thailand, Japan, and India, being presented as part of one unique culinary celebration, a hospitality-inspired fashion show, and an FSSAI conclave on food safety. The Hospitality Awards evening and dinner is another major event of IHE 19, with a jury of key figures of the industry deciding on 70 plus awardees. The event is aimed at felicitating the superstars in hospitality and recognizing the significant professional milestones they have achieved. Friends, the ceremonial dinner will highlight the cuisines of Indonesia and Himachal Pradesh, with master chefs from these regions representing their signature dishes to the VIPs in attendance. So Indonesia is our focus country and Himachal Pradesh is the focus state in the IHE 19. In fact, I would like to present to you the celebrity chef from Indonesia, and they are present here. Gupta Citros. Gupta Citros is here. We have Primo Rizki. We have Kavindra Soymantri from Indonesia here with us today, and also one more gentleman.
Can you please
just stand for celebrity chefs of Indonesia over there in their international TV and other places. They regularly appear. They are pioneers in their field, and we are happy to announce that they will be showcasing their culinary prowess at various events at IHE 19, such as Gourmet Safari, Master Classes, and Hospitality Award Dinner. They will be available for one-to-one press interaction post this session, so you can interact with them individually also. Another major concurrent event of IHE 19 is the sommelier training course. There is a wine sommelier training course going to take place, and that is being organized in collaboration with the Italian National Sommelier Association, AIS. The course will be conducted by Mr. Luca Carmignani, renowned Italian sommelier and course director of AIS. Participants are from some of India's premier hotels like the Oberoi Rajvilas, Trident Mumbai, ITC Maurya, Grand Bharat, and Rajputana, Hilton Gurgaon, Holiday Inn Crown Plaza, as well as some leading standalone restaurants like the Wine Company, Tonino, Whiskey Samba, and many others. We are also not leaving out the human side of the industry with competitions in mixology, bed making. So bed making is being done by our Housekeeper Association, and cooking, as well as a whole host of conferences and seminars led by such as leading hospitality professionals like Deepak Hux, Mr. Deepak Huxar, ITC Hotels, Mr. Ratan Keswani, Lemon Tree Hotels, Mr. Puneet Chatwal, Taj Hotels, Ms. Priya Paul, Park Hotels, Mr. Rajiv Kaul, Leela Hotels and Resorts, Mr. Joravar Kalra, massive restaurant, has been planned, which will encourage the exchange and growth of ideas. I would now like you to invite our esteemed panelists to say a few words. We will start with Ms. Mercedes Nil from the Peruvian Embassy to tell us about the Peruvian participation at IHE, and also Mr. Irfan from Indonesia to please speak a few words. And then I would request Mr. Dabu to please for that.
Good afternoon, dear Indian friends. to thank very much Mr. Kumar and all the colleagues from the International Hospitality Fair for giving Peru this opportunity to show to the Indian public a little more about our culture. We are very excited with our participation in the fair, and on this occasion we are going to have a stand where we are going to showcase what we call our superfoods. Our superfoods that come all from Peru, and I'm sure that you know some of them, like for example quinoa, sachainchi, kiwicha. So if you visit our stand in the fair, you will have the opportunity to learn more about these famous products. And as well, we are going to have a presentation of Peruvian gastronomy and some pisco classes. Pisco, I know if you don't know yet, pisco is our national liquor. It's kind of a brandy. And we are very happy that during this fair we are going to have a pisco class, so all the Indians can learn a little bit about the quality of this liquor, and as well to prepare cocktails with it. So well, thanks again very much for this wonderful opportunity, Mr. Kumar. Thank you very much.
Thank you. First, Devendra ji has said that we have a competition for young chefs. But according to me, the chef is always young. And they are always learning their skills and upping the game almost on a day-to-day business.
Keeping the people young.
And keeping all of us young. So you cannot preach to the Pope, and we have people like Suresh here, Mr. Kullar here, everybody who understands this very well. So the best thing about this is that they say dreams do come true. And there is no doubt that the Indians over here, including Rakesh ji and Dadu Saab, when this was conceived, it really was started as a dream. Anil ji was part of this group. Sanjay ji joined us. We had so much support from Khandela Saab. All of them at that time, we were sure that we have to call this an India International Hospitality Expo. But our international part of the expo was not that strong because it was the very first one. We didn't have so many people traveling from all over the world for this. But fortunately, that dream has come true, and that's why on the dais itself we have Miss Mercedes Gill and also Mr. Irwan. So goes to show, and if some आप लोग और बहुत पढ़ेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि म्यांमार के भी एक स्पेशल वहाँ पर फूड की इवेंट होनी है. उसके अलावा आप देखेंगे कि वी आर ट्रूली इंटरनेशनल एंड येट इंडियन, एंड वी आर प्लेइंग फेवरेट्स विद हिमाचल, बट वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद हिमाचल. One, because Rakesh ji is from there and my wife is from there also. So I am going to grant him this, that he's made my life easier also, that we can safely say that we are starting with a state where the food is not that well known. Just like everybody knows about the satay and the peanut sauce from Indonesia, we know about the mee goreng, but we will be learning from you. Peru is going to be a surprise for us, and I am sure that Himachali food will also work wonders, and one of these days you will have a restaurant, somebody serving Peruvian food and definitely Himachali food. बात ये है कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि आज सारे facts, इतने facts हैं, but the social media team and the kind of the network that everybody has built here, everything is available on the net. So you will get so much information that we don't want to flood you right now in this short time. Today we also want to take an opportunity that if there is something you would like to know, then not only from the panel over here, but the panel in the front row is equally competent to give you the answer straight away. So I end with this, and Thank you for having me once again at IHG 18 and 19.
Thank you very much.